In this video, I will quickly show you how to create a task on Asana to organize your activities. First, go to Asana and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, open the project where you want to add the new task. Next, click the Add Task button or the plus icon usually located at the top of the task list. Then type the name of the task you want to create. After that, you can add more details such as description, assignee, and due date. If needed, you can create subtasks to break the task into smaller steps. You can also attach files or add comments to provide more details about the task. Once the information is added, the task will be saved automatically in the project. Creating tasks helps organize, work, and track progress. And that's it. Now you know how to create a task on Asana easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.